So maybe you've been seeing other videos on YouTube of other people that are, talking about how much money they made today, last week, last month, last year, and you've checked out what they do, you've joined, you've paid loads of money, and you haven't made anything, right? Well, what I'm gonna do in this video is I'm gonna break down exactly what it is that you need if you wanna build a successful affiliate marketing business. So let's dive into it. Alright guys, what's up? Fraser here. So hopefully you enjoyed that little intro. So like I say, what I want to break down in this video is tell you the number one thing, in my opinion, what you need if you want to build a successful affiliate marketing business. Because maybe you have seen other videos on YouTube and you've seen all these people flashing all their money, and in my opinion that just puts you in the wrong frame of mind. That gets you the whole get rich quick mindset. And I want to share with you what it took for me to go from living in my dad's place in Edinburgh in Scotland to now being traveling the world for the last 7 years. It's all been possible through affiliate marketing. So I'm going to keep this one really short and sweet because, to be completely honest, it's not actually that complicated, but a lot of people don't actually teach this. So when I first started back in 2012, after I got medically discharged out of the Royal Navy, I started coming across, the whole online space and, seeing people making loads of money, and I started falling for the same thing that maybe you've been falling for. Seeing people talk about how much money they make, and I'm like, hell yeah, man, I can partner with them and make loads of money. I did that and it didn't work, right? And I started going on ClickBank and grabbing products off ClickBank and promoting them out there all over social media, doing all that kind of fancy stuff. A year down the line, I never made any money, right? So I knew I was doing something wrong, right? So I started to look at what all the successful people that I knew at that time were doing, or what they had in place. And one thing they all had in common was they had a mentor, right? Someone that actually took them from where they are, that has worked with them and has helped them to get where they are now in their business. So that's what I started to do. I started to search out, people in the affiliate marketing space, people who were promoting the same kind of products that I wanted to promote. And I like to focus more on systems, platforms, it just makes your whole life a lot easier. And I came across one guy and I reached out to him and I just asked him, dude, if I follow exactly what it is that you do, will you help me to get results, right? And he said yes, right? But you need to watch, because a lot of people online these days don't actually help you. They just care about getting the dollars out of your wallet, right? And I partnered up with this guy in the business that he was doing. I started applying what he was teaching me, and within 4 months, I went from zero to my first $10,000 month, right? Not monthly, just that is what I earned in that 30-day period, $10,000 in a month, right? And that was back in 2013. And since that point, my affiliate marketing journey has been pretty interesting. I've made quite a lot of money, and I've been traveling the world, through doing that. And that's the whole point of doing this video, because I actually want to reach out to you guys that are in the UK, because I know a lot of you guys, you're starting to search online now for ways to do this, because the situation in the UK now kind of sucks, right? But let's say for me, I'm actually in Thailand. This has been my base for the last 7 years. So I'm really wanting to do more videos targeting people in the UK to actually help you guys go from where you are to where you want to be, And I know a lot of you guys are starting because you want to make money online so you can travel, but the number one thing, in my opinion, that you need is a mentor. You need to find someone that can truly help you to achieve what it is you want to achieve. So maybe you already know what kind of affiliate marketing products you want to promote, or maybe you're looking at e-commerce. Is to go and find people in that space, people that are doing well. Reach out to them, connect with them. Don't just join right away, right? Actually, take the time to see if these people will actually help you to succeed. Because like I said before, a lot of people just want to get the money out your wallet. And if you do feel that these people do care about you, work with them. Do whatever they do whatever they teach you, and you will succeed. You can't do the right things on a consistent basis and accidentally achieve the wrong results, right? And if you want to see what I do, you can click the link in the description. That's completely up to you. But like I say, I focus more on marketing platforms and systems and things like that, because now I only work for like 30 minutes a day because my entire business is automated. So yeah, if you want to find out more about that, you can click the link in the description. But that's not the purpose of these videos. The main purpose of doing this is to help you guys in the UK, to see what you really need, to succeed. Because everybody that I've seen so far on YouTube is teaching you guys the same stuff, flashing money in. If you want to do this, you need to join my business, right? You don't necessarily need to do that. You just need to be told and shown what you need to do, right? And that's my, game plan for these videos that I'm going to do, daily. So yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that and hit that thumbs up, because that helps me out, and click that bell so you're notified of all future videos. And come down, add me up on Facebook, and yeah, we can go from there. But hopefully you did get a lot of value from this video. Hopefully it was a nice little introduction to me. I haven't actually done any videos targeting people in the UK yet, and it's actually good to speak the way I like to speak, because a lot of people just, especially Americans, can't understand the Scottish accent. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But like I say, hope you guys got some value from this, and yeah, just stay tuned, and I'll share with you more detail in the more videos or later videos down the line. Other stuff that you can do that's going to allow you to succeed with building an affiliate marketing business pretty quick. It doesn't actually take that long, depending on what you're doing. You need to be doing the right stuff. So yeah, that's me, guys. Hope you got loads of value. Good to speak to you guys in the UK. Hopefully if you are watching this, you are in the UK, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.